Okay, what we got here is a laminate flooring tool, I guess. And basically what it's used for is you lock the laminate floor here, and then you bang it with a hammer and it snaps the floor together for the hard to get together floors, I guess. And it's got a beater on the end that they broke off the end, so they want a beater put back on the end, and they want a new one on, another one added to this end, because they're pounding it all, beat the hell out of it there. Alright, we got the flooring tool fixed. This is for the snap together flooring, composite flooring, or whatever the hell you want to call it. It's not made out of wood, so it doesn't really count. So, but it's basically to help snap it together. This piece goes over the edge, and apparently you whack on this here, or you whack on it here, I guess. I guess you whack on it here if it's up against the wall, and then if you whack on it here in the middle of the floor. I don't know how you use it. I don't care. It's done. It's all that matters. Both of you guys got a project here. It's kind of a joke. Stay tuned to see what that turns out to be. A little more progress on the secret project here. Looks like we got it loaded up with
low power.
I don't know, Nerf pellets or Nerf bullets or something. I don't know. Assuming that red goes on the door. It's like a door. It's got like some hinges on it. I don't know. Stay tuned. Ooh. Andy's candy. Okay, we found out what he was building out of this thing here. He turned this baby into a win every time jokes and prizes dispenser instead of tampons dispenser. Repurposing stuff. Let's see if we can't win a surprise. Yep, we won a prize. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a fine Andy's Mint. I don't want that thing. I want a better prize than that. Let's try it again. All right, what do we got this time? Oh yeah, now we're talking. Lottery ticket. Yeah. Give me another. Comes out of this side. Another lottery ticket? No. Why did the belt go to jail? He held up a pair of pants. Well, I want a lottery ticket. I don't want another one of them things. Give me another. Hit me. Oh yeah. $1. I'll take that all day long. Give me another. Oh, what the fuck? It ate my quarter. Oh, I got 2 though. Oh, Jesus Christ, another joke. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can't tune a fish. I got this prize too. That's another damn joke. Where's them lottery tickets? Why is the tennis such a loud game? But because each player raises a racket. I got one more quarter. Freak, another goddamn joke. Horse walks into a bar. The bartender says, "Hey." The horse says, "Sure." That's a bad one there. All right, well, I'm out of quarters. I wish I got some more of them lottery tickets. Worth $7,500 for a quarter. It's a $1 lottery ticket, man. Okay. I'm out of cash. I gotta go get some quarters. Alright, since we're out of quarters, we'll show you the inside of a joke and prize machine or a tampon machine. There's the coin mechanism. Stinks like old perfume in here. And this is the joke tubes. This little weight holds them down. And then this baby turns around and dispenses them. Loads one out the back. Loads another one. Throws the other one out the back, holds the other ones up. So, there's troubleshooting guys who can't get tampons. Or lottery tickets, either way. And then the money goes in there. Gotta have a key for that. I just happen to have it. Oh, I got more quarters now. Alright, well, enough of that. This is how you reload it. Prize goes to the back. Up front. Okay.